Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a skincare set that's been making waves for targeting acne with a strategic multi-step approach. I'm talking about the PCA Skin The Acne Control Skincare Set. This kit includes 4 key products: a Benzoyl Peroxide Facial Cleanser, a Niacinamide Face Cream, a Salicylic Acid Acne Gel, and a Retinol Treatment, all designed to clear breakouts quickly and help prevent new ones from forming. It's formulated to work on all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, which is promising. But let's see how it actually performs. Starting with the Benzoyl Peroxide Cleanser, a staple ingredient in acne treatments known for its antibacterial properties, it's meant to reduce the bacteria that cause acne without overly drying the skin. The cleanser is fragrance-free, which is a big plus if you have sensitive skin or prefer to avoid irritation. In my experience, it lathers gently yet effectively, leaving my skin feeling clean but not stripped, which can sometimes happen with benzoyl peroxide products. Next up, the Niacinamide Face Cream. Niacinamide is a powerhouse ingredient beloved in skincare for its anti-inflammatory benefits and ability to regulate oil production while strengthening the skin barrier. This cream is unscented and lightweight, absorbing quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It feels soothing and helped calm redness on my skin during the testing period, which is a definite win considering how acne treatments can sometimes exacerbate irritation. The Salicylic Acid Acne Gel is the targeted spot treatment here. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, known for its ability to exfoliate inside the pores and clear out congestion. This gel has a smooth texture, dries down quickly, and didn't cause any flaking or excessive dryness on my skin, which is often a concern with salicylic acid formulations. Applying it to active spots seemed to reduce inflammation within a few days, which was impressive. Finally, the retinol treatment rounds out the kit. Retinol is a gold standard anti-acne and anti-aging ingredient that accelerates cell turnover. The formula is gentle enough for daily use, unscented, and paired well with the other products without causing sensitivity when used as directed. I made sure to introduce this gradually to avoid irritation, and it definitely helped improve overall texture and evenness. Using this set daily was straightforward. The routine fits well into a morning and evening schedule without feeling overwhelming. What I appreciate most is how the ingredients complement each other. Benzoyl peroxide cleanses and kills bacteria, niacinamide soothes and regulates oil, salicylic acid targets clogged pores, and retinol renews skin cells, covering multiple acne-fighting angles without overloading the skin. Now for the real talk. The set's texture and scent-free formulations are excellent for sensitive or reactive skin, but if you're prone to dryness, you might need to layer with an additional moisturizer, especially when using retinol. Also, benzoyl peroxide can bleach fabrics, so be careful with towels and pillowcases. Packaging is simple and hygienic with pumps and tubes that dispense product efficiently, minimizing waste. Is this set worth the price? PCA Skin is a reputable brand known for clinical-grade skincare, and this kit provides a comprehensive acne regimen that could replace multiple individual products. So yes, the investment feels justified if you're serious about acne control and want a thoughtfully formulated routine without the guesswork. However, if budget is a concern, there are effective standalone products with fewer ingredients at lower price points, but they might not deliver the same all-in-one benefit. Compared to other acne kits on the market, PCA Skin's offering stands out for its balanced ingredient selection. It's not overly aggressive, so it's suitable for a wide range of skin types, and it includes retinol, which some sets omit. Some competitors focus only on benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid, but this combination targets acne through multiple pathways, which is more aligned with current dermatological recommendations. I haven't needed to contact PCA Skin customer service myself, but the brand generally has a strong reputation for supporting their customers and providing thorough product information, which is reassuring. If you're battling persistent acne and want a regimen that's science-backed, multi-targeted, and suitable for daily use, this kit could be a solid fit. For those with very sensitive or extremely dry skin, patch testing and gradual introduction are advisable. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic today. If you've tried the PCA Skin Acne Control Set, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.